State Department of Health, more than 10,000 people are living with HIV and AIDS in Indiana. This week, Governor Mike Pence declared a public health emergency down in Scott County due to the HIV epidemic there. Cases of HIV reported in the Hoosier State alone are continuing to rise right now. Lauren Miner spoke with Vigo County health officials about the spread of HIV right here in the Wabash Valley.
We do see cases of HIV in Vigo County, and we always have.
When suffering from an addiction, most will do anything to feel the high.
They just want to get it into them, and they don't pause to care for concern about their body, or what it does to their body, what it does to their veins.
Needle sharing is the main cause for the HIV outbreak in southeastern Indiana. State health officials reported Friday a total of 81 positive HIV tests, all linked to injection drug abuse.
If they understood the risk, they wouldn't be using the drugs in the first place. So logic goes out the window when it comes to addiction abuse.
Health officials hope to raise awareness of the disease and say education plays a big role when trying to reduce the number of outbreaks.
It allows people to recognize that HIV is still here. A lot of times with the stigma of HIV, a lot of times we don't want to talk about it.
Practicing safe sex and not abusing drugs are the best ways officials say to protect yourself from disease. And it is important to remember that if there is a chance you could have been exposed, to get tested.
Crisis Pregnancy Center is one of them, along with Planned Parenthood, Health Connections. Those are all places that are open and willing to let people come in and get tested for HIV.
And if you know someone going through an addiction,
starting off with care and love and support, but that doesn't cross into, I love you so much, here's some money, I know you're upset, because that could be an enabling factor.
Education, support, safe practices, and testing are all key factors to reduce the spread of a disease that has affected the lives of millions. In Terre Haute, Lauren Miner, NBC2 News.
The CDC estimates that more than 1 million people are living with HIV or AIDS right here in the U.S. Early diagnosis and treatment is said to have saved many lives and is known to reduce the spread of HIV. Well, hundreds of people marched from downtown